And here's Barney, about to go outside and go pee. This is how we do it here. Let's open that back door. Oh, a little tentative. Yeah. Be careful down those steps, buddy. Good boy. And he's gonna go pee. There he is, right in the snow. Good job, bud. Excellent work. Ooh, there's a long one. And I'm getting... He's going to be back, be pretty snow covered. Ooh, he really had to go. Alright, here he comes. Attaboy. Can you make it up the steps, bud? You can do it. Good job. Good job. Okay, let's see how covered you are. We gotta... Whoa! And you're covered. Let's see your face. Come here. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Good pee.